And there's one place where they have been pouring a lot of money into as of late. When I talked with Clay Williams last, what was it, it's like 6 months ago, one of the places they're really putting money into is floating production and offloading facilities, which are basically like take a super tanker and float it out in the middle of the ocean. It's just going to float there and collect oil, and then tankers come and basically load and offload
siphon
there.
it off,
And so these facilities are much more economical than some of the other things that they have been using for a very long time. They're more mobile, so they can be reused versus like stationary infrastructure. And so, but like rigs 20 years ago, they're not a very standardized, industrialized process. They're all kind of ad hoc put together. National Oil of Arco wants to take that standardization process that they used in rigs into this market, and that could be a huge boom for them. That could help tide things over, because those projects, things that are FPSOs is what they're called, those are still going to market now because they were investment decisions that were made years ago and still need to be moved along. So if there's anything that'll help them in the interim, I think that is one place I think investors should kind of take a look at.
Sure. And they're not the only ones that have waited this long to cut their dividend. I mean, you said BP is considering it as well.
BP is considering
not
it.
Yet. They haven't done anything.
They haven't done it, but there was some hints from their chairman that says, look, we might have to. We're not saying we're going to. We want to preserve it as best as we can, which is what every company executive is going to say. But in the event that we have to, we will.